What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? It's your boy Versatile Rez back with another video. I picked a couple items from Best Buy to improve my stream. Not improve my stream really, but to improve my setup. I got 3 items. My keyboard had broke like a month ago. I had used a backup keyboard. It's like a stock keyboard that came with the computer. I wanted to get another. I had like 2 different mics, 3 different mics. I got the Blue Yeti, or Blue Snowball, the RAZER mic. What's the other one? Some mic I got from an audio store. It's coming like a little pack. It come with the arm and a regular mic. So I want to upgrade again. So I'm gonna start with a few items I picked up. So here's one. The first one. Here's the RAZER MAMBA Elite. Come with the chroma. Will flash different colors and all that. So let's unbox this. I pre-cut the tape so I wouldn't have to cut it with a knife and all that. So let's see. Put this aside. You got the RAZER stickers. You got the booklet, the MAMBA Elite booklet. MAMBA Elite booklet. I guess to break down what it is and the instructions. You know people don't. You know black folks don't use that. You know people don't read the instructions. We just do it. You know. So let's see. See how it looks. Okay. I'm gonna try to see. It's the box. This is how it looks. I'm gonna put it glows. You can see like the lighting right on the side. That glows. It was like, I think it was like $60, $70. MAMBA Elite. Okay. All right, let's get to the keyboard. The keyboard is RAZER, a CYNOSA V2. It was like, I think it was on sale for like $80 or $60, something like that. $50, $60, something like that. So it glows. A big box, a little big box, big keyboard. So let's unbox this. There we go. You see how it is? Let's see. Thanks. RGB. Come with that RGB will light up different colors. That's how it is. Boom. Get some of this tape off. I mean, it's some plastic off. New keyboard smell, yeah. Let's see. You see the keyboard right here? Let's get it. Excuse the background noise. The fan right here because it's hot in here. All this computer stuff right here. 2 monitors, PC, PS5 right here. A PlayStation 4, so a lot of heat. But this is how it looks. It's like a regular keyboard until you light it up. That's it for this one. Now, let's get to the bad boy, the new mic. I got the GATO Wave 3 mic. With the box, with the box, boom, boom. I might go get the mixer. I think about it getting it, but I usually don't use all that because all this is gonna be a stream mic. I'm not using it for game audio. I already got the Astros audio mix app. So I think about getting it, but you don't need it. All right, boom. This was like 160. This package. Oh, with the box a little bit. Boom. All right. Here goes the instructions. Well, you can see it in the instructions, but this is the download, or you can show like download the software and stuff like that. All right, here's the box. I think come with the cord. I think it's the cord. Yeah, this is the power cord. It's the same cord they use for PS5 controller. PS5 controller. And the some of the cameras and stuff too. All right, let's see what this is. Oh, this I guess this is the screwing back into the mic. All right. All right, now let's get the mic right here. It's the box is empty. That's it for the box. Alright. Put the headset out, mic out. Boom. Boom. Look at that mud. That mud looks beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, I think this top point, you'll see mute. I don't know if you can see it, but it says mute at the top. You don't have to click it. All you gotta do, it's like touch sensitive, like touch sensitive. Like you gotta put your finger on there and it mutes. Got the button right here. The colors will shine and tell you what mode you're in. It's a good little mic, USB at the back as we plug into that PC. Yeah, it's pretty nice, pretty nice. I want to get the Elgato light. I'm gonna go back and get that. I was time restricted and had to just go on like a bunch of errors, but I went there. I was trying to look for a green screen. I got a green screen already, but I want the one that you roll up and you pull up. It's like $160 too. The light was $160. So I feel like Elgato products, they always $160. Like the Elgato 4K 60, the Elgato HD 60, S60, whatever. $160. So like it's like they sell everything $160. You don't find anything lower or anything higher when you go to Best Buy. But this would be a good mic, a great mic. It's probably the best mic I got yet. Cause usually when I buy mics, they usually be like 100 and the most expensive mic was 100, which is with the RAZER. But it's like 160, almost $170. So I'm gonna see what that is. I might upgrade later on down the line to like one of them $300 mics. I mean, I really don't need it. I mean, it's up to you, self preference. You really don't need it because usually all of them sound the same unless like you can tweak some settings and all that. But this goes like strictly for streaming and to make my setup look better, with the lights, LED lights, GRB. I mean, yeah, how you say it is? GRG. What? RGB. My bad. RGB. Add some LED lights to the trimming of the table to make it look better. But I'm trying to upgrade my setup. I currently got a Samsung HD 60, I mean 4K 60, UHD, HDR monitor for 4K, so I can play on my PS5. I have the Asus 24G, 1080p, 144 hertz. So I'm trying to take this away. I'm not using this. I'm gonna try to get a different monitor. I'm gonna try to get the 4K 120 monitor. I mean, I have it. I just gotta wait for it to come in. It took a long time. You order from Amazon. You can't go to Best Buy and get it because Best Buy don't sell them. You can't go to Walmart. Walmart don't sell 4K 120. So I had ordered on Amazon. And it takes a long time to get because it don't be from like the Amazon Prime people. It be like from side stores or stores that's dealing with Amazon but not technically with Amazon Prime. So it takes like literally like a month, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, whatever. So that's what I've been doing. So I'm waiting for that to come in. I paid 4K. I could play 4K 120, but I just want to play on my new monitor to come out. It's the Asus ROG brand. It's almost like $700, $800 for the monitor. So I'm waiting for that to come in. But yeah, that's it. Got this little couple items, and this gonna be my stream. Quality gonna be better. Sound gonna be better. Setup gonna be better. Got a gaming keyboard now. Yeah, it looks all black. Of course, it's gonna be LED. It's gonna be colorful. So yeah, I'm messing with it. So your boy Versatile Riz. See you later. Yeah, I'm gonna do a live stream tonight. I might do some COD. I might do some For Honor. I play little games like that. But it's your boy Versatile Riz. Have a nice day. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit that bell button. All. Don't hit the bell button and just leave to the second option. No, go to all. So I need to start making videos, but I stopped making videos so I could do live streams. So I live stream and then go straight to YouTube the next day, whatever. So yeah, man, help your boy out. Get the fan club up. Oh, I'm doing giveaways real soon. I might go do it tonight, maybe tomorrow. But I have gift cards and PlayStation Plus, Xbox, Steam. Got all that coming today or tomorrow. So stay tuned. Peace out.